At Ollie, we're taking a fresh approach to pet nutrition. We're trying to take that same approach to the business, to the way that we operate. Part of that is moving away from that old model of corrugate master cases to something new and innovative.
Ed's big concern when he contacted us was to improve the quality of the product that they received from their manufacturer. They had experienced crushed boxes and tipped over loads, and they wanted to make an improvement. And they also wanted to improve the throughput through their facility.
We were bringing a lot of frozen product in the old-fashioned corrugate boxes, which, as you can imagine, involves a lot of breaking down at the end of a shift. So we're trying to look at something that was going to be more sustainable for us as we grew, and it was also going to be easier and safer in our facilities for our staff. And I thought it would be a difficult transition, and it wasn't. It was a really easy transition. Tosca's not only willing to work directly with our upstream vendors, I think they actually really enjoy it. They know how important our partnership is with our vendors, and they're very respectful of that, and they work hand in hand with those vendors to bring them on board this new process.
Once the product was introduced, the transition was pretty seamless for the most part. With corrugated, they have to break them down, they have to stack them up. It's very awkward to haul around like stacks of them. With these, they can move them around without any issues whatsoever, carry them distances and things without having any kind of strain or any kind of risk of possible injury. One of the great advantages of Tosca is that they are open on the outside, so it allows for airflow. So when we put them on our freezer, it helps ensure that they stay cold by having the freezing air blowing through them and then maintain temperature.
We have a big focus on sustainability at Ollie. One thing we're trying to do is reduce our use of packaging. One really cool thing with Tosca is that they're very open to suggestions and to opportunities for further partnership. So we've actually started up a project with one of our packaging vendors and Tosca quite recently, where we're exploring, can we design a new RPC for a particular purpose, for a particular product? Pet food space, especially for high quality dog food, is growing exponentially. And the needs of our customers and customers in the general industry are growing and are also changing. And part of that is not only high quality dog food that's going to give your dog the happiest and healthiest of lives, it's also ensuring that the company that you're partnering with is looking out for the environment, looking out for the planet and for the future of everyone, dogs and humans included.